And today we're going to talk about ao, which means enlighten. That our pu'uvai is enlightened by the light, and our light hits our heart. It pumps out the blood, the water, and connects us to our environment. When we're connected to an environment, we can let go of all these distractions that we have that we depend on, and we can trust our human design that we're all created to function within environment, to adapt to an environment and optimize our environment. So our body takes care of it. One example that I give is when I go to the beach, I see a lot of people put on sunscreen. And what they don't know, they're blocking their body receptors from receiving information from the sun that will help them to adapt into the sunlight. Because remember, when the sun is entering your eyeballs, the owl, the enlightenment, the information, it's telling your body to adapt and to change. Your body creates its own sunscreen. So when people wear sunglasses and when they put on chemicals on their body, they're stopping the process from what creation is trying to do to integrate you into the whole. And this integration it works by information. So the sunlight, for example, this owl, this great big ball in the sun, is giving our body information so that we can adapt to our place. And with the idea of sunscreen and glasses, if we put on sunglasses, the light information hits the sunglass and the glasses fragment the sunlight information and it doesn't do its job. One of the jobs that sunlight does within our eyeballs, it helps tell this gene that we have in our body, in our DNA, it's the melanin to be created within our body so that we can have a natural sunscreen. And the genes in our body all react to information around us. So sunlight is just one thing that we can do to be integrated into Hawaii. When I grew up in Hawaii or when I came back to Hawaii, I always wondered what it meant to live in Hawaii. One of the things I learned from my kumus is to be integrated into your environment. If you go back to nature, if you go back to your environment, if you're in the water, if you're in the sunlight, and if you're seeing the sunrise, sunset, that's what it means to live in Hawaii, to be Hawaii, the living water. And we heard that before. We're living waters literally because of this sunlight water relationship, that our bodies are mostly made of water and it's the conduit for the light information to tell our bodies how to adapt.